Labby is a dairy information and data company born out of MIT. We're developing the next generation mobile sensing technology for dairy industry. Dairy is a significant part of our economy and food supply. The problem we're solving is mastitis. It's a global challenge the dairy industry is facing. It is the #1 health concern for dairy cattle. Mastitis is a bacterial infection can spread quickly among the herd. Globally, it affects 250 million cows and costs the dairy industry $32 billion annually. The infection can reduce milk yield, decrease milk quality, and requires increased antibiotic use. Currently, the lab testing is slow and infrequent. That makes early detection and prevention very difficult. Labby brings lab testing technology to field, enabling farmers to perform rapid and efficient milk testing right on the farm. We have two products, a portable milk sensor and inline milk analyzer. The portable device is easy to use. With a drop of milk into our device, farmer can get instant results on milk quality such as butterfat, protein, and somatic cell count in less than 1 minute. The inline device can work with both conventional and robotic farms. When the cow walks into the milking parlor, its milk will be automatically tested and monitored. We also promote a new kind of relationship among dairy farmers, animal veterinarians, and nutritionists. With our real-time animal health data, those service providers can monitor cows remotely and take proactive measures when the problem arises. We call it telehealth for cows. Participating in Luminate is amazing. There are no programs like Luminate. There are no other place like Rochester that offer both accessibility in dairy and optics world for us. Luminate provides us invaluable support to mentors, resources, and potentially open doors for new business opportunities for us as well. I'm so passionate working in the dairy industry. At the end of the day, I know our solution makes a huge impact on the future for dairy.